project supervisors that over the period of construction, only 96 died. Of these, 24 fell to their death. 3 drowned, 10 were killed by explosions, 5 were electrocuted, 26 were struck by falling debris, 26 more were struck by heavy equipment. 1 died in an elevator accident and 1 in a cableway accident. Contrary to folklore, of these 96 men, none